Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, it's the long-awaited part 2 of the Gerber Freeman Guide. Remember in the first part I told you we'd come back, we'd do some testing, check it out, see what it was capable of, and I'd give you my final thoughts and recommendation. Well, we're here to do that today. And for starters, there will be no further testing, and I'm going to give you my final opinion. Alright y'all, if you haven't already figured it out, I can't recommend this knife. I wish I could. I really wanted to when I first bought it. I was excited at the price point. I was excited about its design and what it had to offer, and then it fell short. And I didn't even get to the time to test it yet. I was just playing with it and cooking. You saw it in some of my cooking videos, and somewhere along the lines it failed, and I'm not even quite sure how it failed. So here, I'll show you what I mean. Here I am. Alright, so I went to wash it before I was going to come out and cook with it and whatnot, and I noticed the blade was broken. Let's see here. Can you see it? Can you see the crack? Let's see. Alright. Right there. You see the crack in the blade? So the crack kind of goes down and like this. You see it? So there you go. I don't even know how I did it, but I broke the blade cooking with it. Those little biofuel caps have a little top. I did pop one of those off with it. I don't know if that little bit of prying action cracked that blade, but there's no sense in me testing it any further. It's going to go home and go in the trash. That's just going to get somebody hurt. So sadly, I'm here to say that Gerber failed with the Freeman Guide. It's unfortunate too. I was really excited about this knife, but there we go. Don't buy it. Don't waste your money. We'll see you on the trail.